If you're going to be drilling holes in sheet metal, then this is a tool you might want to know about. This one bit can drill 10 different size holes in sheet metal. Let me show you how it works. It's called a step bit, and from tip to top, the bit increases in size in 1/8 inch increments or steps. The first hole is 1/4 inch in diameter. As downward pressure is applied, the cutting edge on each step creates a hole equal to the diameter of that level. Continued pressure causes the bit to drop to the next larger hole size. Step drills work best in sheet metal, but they can also be used in thin acrylic sheets, plywood, and plastic laminate. In this case, I'm using the bit in a drill press. It can also be used in a handheld drill. However, it's important to keep the drill perpendicular to the work surface to reduce the possibility of binding. So there you have it. One drill bit, 10 different size holes.